Well, so unfortunately, after over 10 years of service, this pressure washer gun finally bit the dust. It's a problem with the trigger inside. Kind of works sometimes, other times it just won't shoot water out at all. So we're going to rectify this. And we got this kind of cheap one off of Amazon. I will say that this is the Toolcy brand, but by the time you watch this video 1, 2, 3 years from now, it's probably going to be called something else. And it's very likely, and I'm pretty sure that even though it has this brand name on it, this same model is sold under many different brand names on Amazon. So just keep that in mind. But we're going to go ahead and get this thing ready to install. And really, we just have to pull out these fittings. And you can see this is the hose for the machine. This is just going to go on like this and screw up and on. And we'll tighten that down once we get everything attached. But then you have this quick disconnect, which is really nice because the OEM hose does not have that. So we're just going to tighten this up right quick. Perfect. And this one does have a swivel on it, so that's pretty nice. So you just attach it just like that. Pretty simple. And you can use it as is, but you're gonna have to get a different one for it, unfortunately. But at least for the purpose of this video, and then you have the different tips that we can put on it as well. Let's just go on just like that. Pretty simple. Let's try it out. So I've been using this thing for a little while, and overall I'm really satisfied with it. Compared to the OEM Husky gun and wand that was attached to this thing, this is like a night and day difference. It's lighter, it feels better, it feels sturdier, it just feels much better made. And maybe that's just because it's new. But honestly, I like the trigger action on this. I don't really have any issues with it. The extension was cheap. It was $8. I wish the gun had come with it, but honestly, they're so cheap that it's not that big of a deal. Now, I'm gonna test this out. I've already used it, but for the video, we'll test it out. And for mowers, I use the 25-degree tip, which is usually green. It also came with a small selection of other tips. We have the 0-degree, which is basically straight through. That's going to give you the most pressure. 40-degree, which is pretty soft. And then you have a 15-degree, which is kind of in the middle between the green and the red. And then also this is for soap. I don't know that I would ever use that one, but it's there if you need it. And the fittings that they give you are pretty good quality, all things considered. So go ahead and get you guys in the tripod, get this thing hooked up and started. The tools just hook up like this. It's really nothing to it. Pretty nice quality attachment fittings. And then of course the gun itself swivels, which is really handy. So go ahead and turn this thing on. would say for the money, it's pretty good upgrade as opposed to buying one of the OEM gun and wands for it. Cleaned this thing up pretty well. Cleaned up that grout pretty well too. I didn't really try and get it to a T, but it's really just kind of experimenting with it. Really cleaned up this side though. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.